Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my what is it, Savage X4.6. There it is. Alright, I'm gonna keep this really simple. I'm gonna do it right there. I don't have a table. I only got my kitchen table. I don't have a table, but we're gonna do this real quick so y'all guys can see what's inside. Can't wait to do a engine brake on it, which I'm gonna do later on today. But I'm gonna keep this real short video, and then I'm gonna do another video of running it. All right, stay put. Okay, so here we are. Got my kitchen knife. Open. Got a remote. Chop. I do not like the looks of it. That's just my personal opinion. Tools, equipment, blockade chassis, whatever, to protect the engine and the body, whatever stuff. Put that to the side. We got here more batteries, a tool, wheel tool. We got an extra glow plug. What else we got here? I think there's a LiPo battery in here. Let me see. Yep, not a LiPo, but nickel. The starter, right? Manual starter, whatever it is. Now, let's see what we have here. Manuals, all right. Stickers, charger, and that's about it. Guys, I hate these. Jeez. Here it is. It's it definitely feels I don't want to say wimpy. It feels a little soft. I get normal, right? Normal plastic. Guys, look at that paint scheme. I really like this paint scheme. It adds style, but not just the style. A theme to the vehicle, like a character. That's not the word, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. Okay, there it is. Look at that beast. So let me get it off the box. Okay, we are here. So from front to rear, y'all know how I do it. Okay, let's look at the front bumper. Does it have lights? Yes, it does. Plastic. No, it doesn't. But who would assume that you can actually put lights on here? Maybe you can do something. I'm gonna 3D print something, right? Yeah, I'm gonna 3D print it. Shocks, one shock on the front, one shock on the rear per arm. I thought there would have been two, you know, two like the T-Max. Let's see here. The wheels, they are very soft, just like I like them, very soft. Bumper, very flexible. I really like that. Front hinge pin, metal or aluminum, whatever. Aluminum, should be aluminum. Here, top hinge pin, securement as well. Metal steering links. I don't know, to me, for the weight of the vehicle, it looks kind of skinny. That's just me. Metal CVD all around. This right here is upper A-arm. It's plastic. It looks metal, but it's plastic. All A-arms is plastic. Okay. What else we looking at here? Look at the no pillow ball steering. Just regular, I don't know how you call it. X-Max style, maybe. I don't know. Y'all know what it is. Okay. This right here, look at that. I never thought. Really like this idea. Instead of like just having screws to hold the body tower post, you can actually, it's easier to move it around. You will not need to use a screw to change it, to get it off. You know what I'm saying. Over here, the muffler, it looks pretty big. It feels plastic. I think it's plastic. Look at that engine, big. All right, here electronics. I think this is where you plug it to charge the battery. Vertical chassis, transmission there, just standard. Here, I think that's where you set how fast you want the transmission to shift. I think that's what it is. It gotta be. I'll put that later. All right, let's keep going. Really easy access to the high and low regulator. Okay. Everything just put together. All you really gotta do is just throw some fuel in here and just crank it. All right, to the rear. Okay. It's all plastic tower. Forgot to mention that. This whole plastic tower. There's no, I don't see no metal tower here. It is beefy, real beefy, lengthwise, not as much as like this, but it is maybe 3/4 of an inch to an inch wide. Okay, same thing here. The pins for the body post. What else? Aluminum as well, top to bottom, hinge pins secure. Here, very flexible. All right, you got the H arms in the back. All right, here there's no screw top A arm, so this vehicle should be aligned all the time, as they all should be. But yeah, and if it breaks, then we gotta replace the whole arm. Car, this right here, I gotta do the little oil thing, whatever. Suspension, I like it. Beautiful. Planet. Just how it should have. All right, so that's basically it. This is my little mess here from the I'm talking about the tools and stuff that came with the inside the car, inside the box. So all right, so that's the unboxing. Real quick, let me see the underside. Okay, almost forgot that. Yeah, twin pads. This right here, it doesn't even look like it's just metal. It looks like it's asbesto, I think it is, or something. It looks so brittle, so weak. It feels weak. I mean, I'm gonna run like that, and if it stops, it stops. If I can upgrade this, because think about nitrous, and in my case, I'd rather have them stop than just go. Okay. Electric, I'd rather them go than stop. But yeah. Okay, look at that. That's the steering servo, and then that's the other servo for the gas and brake. Okay. If it's orange, it's aluminum. If it's black, it's plastic. All right. That's the whole thing about this. The fuel tank, I wish they would just do something way bigger than that. I believe that if they can make the muffler as almost as long as the chassis, they could make a fuel tank as long as the chassis. Like, come on. Come on, get on. Okay. Nice. Little monster truck right there. I really like it. It looks good, guys. Yep. Very well proportioned. The wheels are nice. Saturated, sticking out. It's not sticking so much inward. It looks really good. I really like it. Yeah. Okay, guys. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Comment down. I'll read them definitely. Please comment down. I want to read. Please, please, please. Oh, that's a battery. Let's charge. Look at them wheels. Black chrome. Black chrome. I really like that. All right. See you guys later.